Being on live TV can be a lot of pressure, so it can be normal for people to make a mistake while being on air or sometimes even completely forget the cameras are rolling. In a Japanese game show called Brain Balls, a wall comes towards you with the shape in the middle and you have to make the shape with your body to not fall. So they came up with different strategies. But one of the contestants for some reason shows a bizarre move. A very exciting project by the Portuguese Navy was this sort of new drone technology that they wanted to show the public after people were wondering why they were spending so much money. But well, maybe doing it live wasn't too good of an idea. When actor Tom Holland was doing an Instagram live, he was excited to show a package he received in a mail from Marvel. And well, when he opened it, it was clear to everyone that it was something meant to be private.
Poster for the movie. Enjoy, Mark Ruffalo.
It is no secret that rappers tend to try to keep a tough guy persona. A moment that didn't go too well for rapper Diddy happened when he was at the Ellen show saying that something like a clown wasn't gonna scare him. And well, Ellen put that theory to the test.
I'm not afraid of clowns.
But I heard that you were.
At the RNC, Melania Trump forgot the cameras were rolling when she made a frosty expression after the ex-president's daughter walked by. A bizarre but hilarious moment happened when a man went to the BBC for a job interview for an intern position and somehow they got him confused as a music industry expert that was meant to be interviewed live that day, and his reaction when he realized he was live was hilarious.
Well, Guy Cuny is the editor of the technology website News Wireless. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Were you surprised?
A kind of known fact is that in the United States school system, international geography isn't a widely covered topic, but a kind of embarrassing moment for a student happened when Jay Leno was doing live interviews on the street and someone confused Africa as a country in South America.
School system in Arkansas.
It's awesome.
It's good. Let's see how
really good.
Let's see how good it is. What is the largest country in South America?
In South America, Africa?
When a so-called martial arts guru was on live TV showing some tricks that were way too impressive, the host tried to reassure the audience that they were real bricks, but apparently they actually switched them before the show.
To be honest, I actually felt these bricks. These are real bricks. I mean, there's no joke. Oh! Wow! Check it out, baby. Guns.
Guns! How the hell did you do that?
At the European Athletics Championship, they were interviewing the second place winner, which was very confused when the reporter asked him about how did it feel to win the gold medal. And it turns out the athlete had no idea the first place winner was disqualified for cheating, and he actually won the race.
¿No sabes de la descalificación de Churundi?
No.
Hay una descalificación. No. Mira, no, joder, te lo juro.
You're champion. No.
Sí.
No.
Sí, hay una descalificación.
No.
No, mira.
No, confírmamelo, por favor, que no.
After a win from a football team, one of the footballers was being interviewed and got asked if he wanted to thank you someone, and that's when he thanked his wife and his girlfriend.
And I appreciate my fans also. My wife and my girlfriend. My wife. Yeah, sorry to say. I'm so sorry, my wife. Listen.
At a show with Tyra Banks as a host, they invited a huge rodent to surprise the guest Hilary Duff. The problem is that the host got a little too scared and fell off the couch. A kind of embarrassing moment for a singer happened at a concert in Shanghai when a local celebrity didn't realize she was holding the microphone upside down, which obviously revealed she wasn't singing. They later announced that she was actually singing and that it was a double-sided mic, which didn't really help. What was about to be an epic start of a board show went horribly wrong when the host misaimed his jetpack.
Fox 5 Morning News starts. Look over there.
And it starts right now.
When Mark Zuckerberg was doing Q&A with the audience, he was responding to a question about how to deal with criticism, and he accidentally said he is not human.
Is going to bother you because you're human, and I was human. I am human still. But I was just referring to myself in the past.
During a mixed double tennis match, smashes two serves on a row into his tennis partner, and considering those serves go well over 100 miles per hour, it probably hurt.
Oh,
She's done it again.
Oh, no. Number 2. Smacked at 93 miles per hour on the back of...
When the CEO of Google was being asked questions by the Congress, things became kind of weird and it looked like it turned into a sort of tech sport for the congressman. And well, one even asked him about the issues with an iPhone.
I'd ask you, how does that show up on a 7-year-old's iPhone who's playing a kid's game?
Congressman, iPhone is made by a different company, and so, you know, I mean...
It might have been an Android. It was a hand-me-down of some kind.
Even though Gordon Ramsay is one of the world's most well-known chefs, when he tried speeding up the cooking process at the Late Show with James Corden, he almost started a fire and his daughter told him the bacon was kind of burned.
Sorry. I'm getting crispy. That's crispy.
You might think that when the president makes a live conference, every single detail is planned beforehand. But to everyone's surprise, at Trump's press conference, the cameras were already recording and he wasn't aware, and everyone got to see some behind the scenes.
I got a pen mark. Anybody have any white? Do you have any white stuff? See it?
You don't see it.
Which side is it on here?
It's on the right side. Yeah.
When a news reporter was doing a report on a theme park, he got a little too confident in one of the games and managed to scare himself.
Alright, oh god! Okay, so it's 40 feet tall, and there's actually a 15-foot little hanging thing before.
Probably one of the most awkward moments during a live show was when James Corden was invited by Xbox to play a game of FIFA, in which he opened a game pack and got us an awarded t-shirt, and proceeded to say that it was kind of disappointing how he only got a t-shirt in the game, and that's when the host revealed the surprise that they had for him, which was a t-shirt.
I realise we've got a new t-shirt. Sorry, is that what we're really excited about? That we've got a new t-shirt?
But look, it's an Xbox branded.
Guys, you're not going to believe this. We've just got a new t-shirt to wear. Imagine walking into a dressing room and going, guys, you're not going to believe it. Who wants a new t-shirt?
Well, this is a bit awkward because right down here, as if it's leapt off the screen, we have your very own Xbox kit.
When former Miss France Laurie Tillman was a guest at a French TV show, she tried to impress the audience by showing her dancing skills, and well, it didn't go too well for her, but luckily she wasn't injured.
Attendez, ça va?
Nowadays, some of the biggest celebrities are Twitch streamers because of the massive loyal audience that watches them on the daily. A kind of awkward moment happened when Twitch streamer Ninja was invited to make the New Year's countdown and tried to make the audience dance. But let's just say the crowd wasn't exactly his target audience. A good lesson to learn is that if you are next to a water tank with large animals inside that might make a splash once in a while, a reporter chose the wrong spot to make an interview and ended up being soaked by a dolphin.
So, it's not just a show, it's really educating the people.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.